All right, hello CAD students. In this video, we're going to talk briefly about circles, how to draw them, how to add them to our athletic dimension projects. I'm working here on a basketball court, NBA regulation. All right, so if you've chosen that as your project, good news for you, you get a little bonus help here. All right, you can see that I have a 94 by 50 foot rectangle. If you watch the tennis court video, you should have no problem building something like this. However, on a basketball court, we have a couple circles in the middle, and I want to figure out how to add those in. If I can see here on this regulation image here, I have a small circle with a radius of 2 feet and a larger circle with a radius of 6 feet, positioned right at the center of the court. All right, so let's switch back over. All right, so how do I go about doing that? Well, first of all, I want to make sure I'm doing everything here in the model space. All right, I'm going to get rid of some of these dimensions. Okay, if I zoom in here, all right, I want to position my circle right along the center of this line. Now, one of the things you'll need to make sure if you do it in this method is that if you go down here in the status bar to the O snap, all right, object snap, this little symbol right there, you need to make sure you have midpoint selected here. If you do not have midpoint selected, this will not work. Make sure this has a check mark next to it. All right, let's go over to our home tab and let's draw a circle. Now, there's a bunch of different ways we can draw a circle. We're going to use center and radius. So all I have to do is, let me start that over, go nice and slow here. All right, circle tool. I need to locate the center of this line. So to start, I'm going to touch the top of this, touch the bottom. Now as I move up, my midpoint will pop up. It's a triangle. I'm going to select there as my midpoint. You can see as I drag out, I have different dimensions. All right. Now remember, I'm working in inches, not feet. And I know I'm going to draw the little circle first. I need this to be a 2-foot circle, 2-foot radius. So if I want to enter in my radius, I need that to be 24 inches, right? Go ahead and enter that in, and I've got my first circle. Okay, let's go ahead and draw the 6-foot one. 6 feet radius is going to be 72 inches, all right? I could find that by just doing 6 times 12. All right, I should see my center of the circle pop up here, even easier, 72, boom. I've got my circles. Look how easy that is. Not hard, oh, whoops. Not hard at all, all right? That's how you draw some simple circles. Let's say I wanted to position a circle out in the middle of space out here, maybe like on a hockey ice rink, okay? Then I would need to get a little more creative with it, okay? What I would recommend you do in that case is draw in some hidden lines, all right? Let's do a polyline. Sorry, not hidden lines, a construction line. All right, something like this. Let's say I wanted this to be, oh, I don't know, 10 feet over, all right, and perhaps 10 feet down this way as well. All right, 120 inches. Okay, now if I wanted to center, let's say a circle there, right, I could touch this, go over, touch this, get the intersection, and draw, you know, let's say a 5-foot, 60-inch diameter circle. Of course, I probably want that to be an object line. Okay, that's how you might center a circle out in the middle of space. All right, of course, that doesn't exist on an NBA court, but just so I can show you that as well. All right, that's this video. Thank you.